Man, it is cold out here today.
Where's your coat?
I don't need no coat.
I really had high hopes for this snowplow. About to get some snowplow action going on. My driveway, it doesn't look like it's really that bad, but this kind of snow is really hard to drive in, even though it's not very deep. It's probably 6 inches deep, but it's super hard to get traction in it. It's like that icy kind of like snow that's more ice than snow. But let's go up here and see what my dog is up to. Hey Tank, what are you doing, buddy? Hey puppy, hey big guy, come on. Hey Tank, say hi to YouTube. Good boy. Come on. All right, give me that ball. Give me the ball. Give me that. Heading out to the barn. Got to fire up the tractor. Got a 25 horsepower Branson. And this year I put a snowplow on it for the first time. All the other years I was using a bucket to plow snow, and it is quite a chore to use a bucket, but not as hard as what we used to do, which was using the shovels. Yeah. Check this out. Right here. Big chunk of rubber tore off of it. So I'm gonna get a new cutting edge for that. I don't know if I'm gonna stick with that rubber. Put it in the comments. What would you recommend? Would you stick with the rubber? Would you go with plastic? Or would you go with a steel cutting edge? I really had high hopes for this snowplow, but now I don't know what to do with it. For gravel, just tightening up these right here. See this adjustment right here? This can be tightened up so it doesn't flip so easily. Because right now it flips so easily. So if we go ahead and tighten up this bottom nut right here, bring it on up, put some more pressure on these, it should hold itself up a lot better. See if this will help it. A lot better. So we'll see how that does. You got your purse?
Yeah.
Oh, you got your purse.
Cut.
Hey, you got $1?
Yeah.
You got $1, bub?
Dad,